Hey guys, it's Akil here with you today, and I hope you all are good and staying safe. Today we have Samsung S10 Plus here with a smashed screen and lines all over the place. And if we hit the power button, as you can see, the screen is glitchy and won't show no image at all, as display underneath is damaged and require full display panel replacement. So let's go ahead and fix the display on this Samsung S10 Plus. First of all, we heat up the back cover for a removal because it's sealed on the housing with a strong adhesive. So be very careful while doing this job, and if you're not professional and have no experience in phone industry, I won't recommend you doing it yourself. Now, use ultra thin card and gently stick it in between the glass and housing, making sure you don't scratch or break the glass, and swipe it around the phone for breaking the adhesive. You can also use plain card as you have seen in my other videos. I'll leave one of the link in the description, or you can get the video link by pressing on top right corner of the screen. Once the adhesive is broken, you can remove the glass and now unscrew all of them using 2.2 Phillips screwdriver. Then separate wireless charging coil from bottom shield and then remove both shields using a spudger. Now disconnect the battery and display connector from the board and unscrew additional 3 screws. Then remove the SIM tray, front camera and take the logic board out. Now we need to remove the battery. In order to remove the battery, we'll have to warm up the screen little bit right opposite side of the battery, and use few drops of alcohol to weaken the adhesive so the battery can come off easily. Once the battery is removed, we'll go ahead now and remove the headphone jack. Oh no! As you can see, the phone is fully taken apart. Now we'll assemble everything into new display panel. First of all, we need to stick the battery. Remove the old adhesive and stick new one. I normally use double-sided tape, which is thin and strong. Use it and stick the battery on the housing. then the naughty one, and then the logic board. Once the board is in place, we'll screw it down on the housing. Now put in the front camera, then connect camera, display, battery and headphone to the board. Make sure everything is connected properly so you don't have to disassemble it again. Now put the bottom shield back on and screw it down. Then the top shield and wireless charging coil. Once everything is screwed down, we'll stick the battery cover, insert the SIM tray and then test the phone. Thanks for watching the video and I hope you really like it. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon for future videos notifications. Keep tuned, keep safe and ask any question in the comment below.